Hey everyone, the Red Magic 11 Pro marks Nubia's latest leap in the gaming smartphone arena, officially set to debut on October 17th after weeks of teasers and speculation. This new flagship is built around Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a chipset that represents the very latest in raw power and efficiency, making it clear that Nubia is targeting uncompromising gaming performance. From early details, the Red Magic 11 Pro series is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious smartphone launches of the year, with a focus on blending high-end hardware with dedicated gaming features. The lineup is expected to include at least two versions, the Red Magic 11 Pro and the Red Magic 11 Pro Plus. While Nubia has not confirmed this split, leaks point to the Pro Plus variant carrying truly extreme specifications, such as 24 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, giving it desktop-class capabilities for multitasking, gaming, and media storage. Even if both models share similar core specs, this potential separation highlights Nubia's attempt to cater to both mainstream gamers and enthusiasts who demand the absolute maximum from their devices. One of the standout features of the Red Magic 11 Pro is its under-display camera implementation. Nubia has been working on this technology for years, and the new generation is expected to improve both camera clarity and screen immersion. Combined with a flat display, it positions the phone as an all-screen device designed to avoid distractions and maximize visibility during gaming sessions. This screen will likely support very high refresh rates and touch responsiveness, and early reports suggest the inclusion of a dedicated touch control processor to fine-tune latency for competitive gaming. Battery life also gets a dramatic boost, with an 8,000 mAh unit rumored to be packed inside the device. This massive capacity is a rarity even among gaming phones, and when paired with power efficiency improvements of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, could provide serious endurance even during extended gaming marathons. Durability and cooling are also being pushed further in this generation. The Red Magic 11 Pro is said to come with an IP68 rated chassis, which would be a first for the series and an important step in bringing water and dust resistance to performance-heavy devices. Cooling remains a central focus as well, with integrated liquid cooling and an internal fan working in tandem to keep thermals in check. This hybrid solution has been a Red Magic signature, but Nubia is hinting at refinements that could push thermal efficiency to new levels. On the camera side, the phone may feature a 50-megapixel front-facing sensor, a substantial number if the rumors are accurate, and one that would make the under-display camera solution especially impressive if Nubia can balance clarity with screen transparency. While cameras are often secondary in gaming phones, this could give the Red Magic 11 Pro an edge in versatility. All signs point to a device that is more than just raw power. Nubia appears to be shaping the Red Magic 11 Pro into a highly capable daily driver that blends extreme gaming performance with practical improvements like water resistance, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and massive battery capacity. With more official details expected in the coming days, the anticipation is high. But even from what is already known, the Red Magic 11 Pro looks poised to set a new benchmark in the gaming smartphone category. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.